Hello friends! Today I'm going to make some fresh hummus. I think that you'll be amazed how easy it is. This recipe that I'm going to make today is fresh hummus with cooked chickpeas on top. A little fancy, a little way to dress it up for maybe a party you might have coming up, or game day, or you can also package it for lunch snacks. Let me show you how easy it is. I'm going to start by, in a frying pan, cooking some chickpeas with some flavorings, and this will be used when we're finished for a little topping. So we start with a little olive oil in the pan. Then I'm going to use some hot spice. You don't have to use this if you don't want to, but we like it on our hummus. And then I'm going to use some paprika. These are all good flavors. I'm going to grind in some fresh pepper and Himalayan salt. And I'm going to take 2 cans of chickpeas. Right here I have 2 cans of chickpeas that are rinsed. We're just going to put these about a quarter of this amount right into the frying pan. This will be our topping. So I'm going to get this started on the stove, mix it up as it's starting to simmer, and in the meantime we're going to make the hummus in the food processor. In the food processor canister here, we're going to use 1.5 cups of chickpeas. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of a nice extra virgin olive oil. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to add some tahini. I'm using organic tahini, but whichever kind you decide to use the kind that pours like liquid. Don't use the kind that's like paste, because the kind that pours like liquid is going to make this nice and fluffy when we're done processing it. This may need a stir when you open it up. I shook this up for a little bit before I started recording today, so it's pretty much ready. In the background, I'll show you first. The chickpeas are cooking on the stove. We just want to get them browned and tossed in the olive oil sauce to look something like this. And we'll let them cool down so that we can use them on top of the cold hummus as a topping. Pour 4 tablespoons, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons into the food processor. Next, into the mixture, we're going to add a teaspoon of cumin. To the processor bowl, the next ingredient is lemon juice. You can squeeze a whole lemon in here, or you can measure 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, which today I'm using the lemon burst shortcut. Okay, that gives it a nice brightened flavor. We're going to use a bit of chopped garlic. I'm using the Spiced World minced garlic today because it's finely chopped and gives me a good start here. About a tablespoon. I'm going to add a little bit of hot spice to this mixture too. Just a shake or 2. And a little paprika. This is smoky paprika. It gives it a nice smoky flavor. A little bit of salt. I'm going to put this in the food processor and blend it. Okay, I'm using my KitchenAid food processor here, and I'm just going to put it on low to start blending. Blending those chickpeas. Alright, now you can blend this to the consistency that you desire when you eat hummus. Now there are several ways that you can serve this. One is with a nice bowl and spread some chips around on the plate and make it look very pretty. Another way is that you can put it into smaller containers. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the OXO, these are actually for kids' baby food, OXO Tot containers. They have a lid on, they seal. They can be carried to a party. They can go to a Super Bowl party with you in a cooler bag. They can fit in a tray in your refrigerator and bring them out for a party. And then you can have individual servings for your guests, which can just pick up some snacks, grab and go, and sit down and watch the game. That's what we're thinking about for next week. Even though you might buy these nice little OXO bowls for baby food, which they're great, they're also great for party snacks, especially if you're carrying them somewhere. They have a seal that prevents them from leaking. The seal can come off and it's washable. And it's also portion control if you're using these for snacks or meals, because it's a 4-ounce cup. In the meantime, we're going to take this beautiful creamy hummus and we're going to fill these little containers. And this is perfect for dipping with chips. And this just doesn't have to be just for game day. This can be for when you want to pack a nice lunch, or you're just getting together with your friends for a little snack. What can I bring? Here's what you can bring. Might have filled that one a little full because I still have to make room for my topping. I like this little holder too because it keeps everything stable when you put a lid on it. Okay, let's get the topping. Friends, there's nice chickpeas that are seasoned, and we're going to really dress up these little bowls. When you open these up, you crack the lid open. Who could resist? Just make a little sample here for tasting. Being on this. Let's try this delicious hummus recipe. The flavor on those chickpeas that are the topping, try that hummus recipe. It's so simple and natural. And then top it with something like that chickpea topping I just made, spices and seasonings. It's delicious. Hope you like this recipe. I'll put the link in my description for the things that I used to show you, and enjoy the hummus. Thanks for watching.